Okay guys, this is Uno Masage signing in YouTube, and I want to teach you and hook up with a new tutorial, okay? Without further ado, again, this is the title of my tutorial. Uno Mas Tutorial, how to use NSBIP Master Tricks Masigi, Mas busy users save list, okay? This is a tutorial requested by my Walter Dexter, part 1. So, okay, let's start guys, let's do this. So, as you can see, I'm already in a Yahoo chat room, and I already made 3 NSBIP master in the room, okay? Now, watch very carefully. This is for the Masigi, okay? For example, this is the ID of the enemy in the BC, and this is you. Okay, this is the enemy and this is you. So we will step in, and there you go. You see, he have already 3 ignores. Okay, 3 voice user ignore. When I step in the BC, I will suffer the same consequences as he did. Okay, I will be 1 of 4 maybe. Okay, so to avoid that, this is what you do. This is a Masigi first, right? Now the user save list. Okay, you must uncheck the user, ignore user talks, uncheck it. Then first, all of the make sure all of the BC user who step in has already stepped. Okay, so uncheck it. This is the user save list mode. Okay, once you uncheck the users, ignore talk users, now you can step in. See, watch. See 4 of 4, right? 1 of 4, 4 of 4, perfect BC. Okay guys, now the Mas PC, click on real-time logging NSBIP master, click on real-time logging NSBIP master, second one and the third one. Okay, third one. Actually guys, you can put in 15 to 20 NSBIP master in the room, and it won't hang. It depends on your memory and internet connection. Okay guys, and it's not like Supra. When you open 6 or 7, it will hang your system. See, it's a Mas PC. You hold the mic. Okay, so this is Uno Mas signing out. I love you guys. I love you YouTube. Bye.